GDDAV Public School, Bhandar Kola welcomes you all in the online class of English. Today, in English Reader, we will read Chapter 7, The Sailing Trip. At first, we need to know some new words given in this chapter. Let's start. Sound, ticket, drown, children, friend, safe, and reach. These are some new words given in this chapter. Children, the sailing trip is the story about Avi and Kamna. The name of the boy is Avi and the name of the girl is Kamna. Avi and Kamna, they are going on a trip to Goa. So let's see what happens. Avi wants to go to Goa by ship. But Kamna likes the sound of train when it moves on railway track. So she wants to go Goa by train. Both the children are talking with one another. Then father comes into the room with tickets in his hand and father says that we are going to Goa on Friday. Then both the children looking towards the father. Then father replies them that we are going by ship, but we are coming back by train. To hear this, both the children become very happy. Now, on Friday, they all get into the ship and the ship starts sailing in the water. And children, you know the ship will take 2 days to reach Goa. Avi and Kamna, they are having fun. And what they find? They find a snail on the ship. And what they did with that snail? They put it into a pail. Next day, Avi hears some sound that someone is calling for help. Avi and Kamna both runs out to listen the noise. And what they see is a small boy is drawing in the water. They just tried to help them. How they help the small boy? Avi throws a chain towards the boy and the small boy holds the chain. Then slowly Avi and Kamna pull him up. Now the small boy is safe, but there is a blood stain on the small boy's head. Then both the children help that small boy, and now all the three children become friends. And Avi and Kamna let the small boy to play with the snail in the pail. To see this, Papa says, "You are good children." Papa feels proud of them. So, children, what we have learned from the story? We should always be kind and helpful. If anyone needs our help, we should ready to help anyone. Okay? I hope all of you understood the chapter and enjoyed a lot. Thank you.